Hey everyone, welcome back! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to order items easily on Temu first. Open the Temu app or website and start browsing through the products. Once you find something you like, select your preferred color, size, and quantity. If you're not sure about sizing, you can always check the size guide for help. When everything looks good, tap Add to Cart. After adding your items, open your shopping cart to review what you've selected. If you need to make any changes, like adjusting the quantity or removing something, you can do that here. When you're ready, tap Checkout to continue. Next, log in to your Temu account. You can sign in using your email, phone number, or even a third-party option like Google or Facebook. Once you're logged in, fill in your shipping details carefully, making sure the address is correct. Then, continue to the payment section. Here, you can choose your preferred shipping method and payment option. Before placing your order, review your order summary and apply any coupons you might have to save some money. Finally, when everything looks good, confirm and submit your order. That's it! Your purchase is complete! You'll get a confirmation and can track your package right from the app. And there you go. That's how you can order items on Temu quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more shopping tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on Temu.